I'd take a video and show you guys what it's doing out this way. It's, I think, sometime between 3 and 4, I forget. I'm just getting ready to start trying to clear the drive. But yeah, I thought I'd take a kind of a quick video here. I haven't updated anything, and the sound you're hearing other than my voice is probably about a 30-35 mile an hour wind, and it's just it's blowing pretty good. This is the snowdrift going down the side of my house. But yeah, it's blowing pretty good out here. I don't know if I'll be able to catch it, but oh yeah, I've got a fire going in the stove downstairs, so I might be able to show you that later. Alright. And this is kind of what I got going inside today. I haven't really run this thing much this year at all, but I got a nice little fire going here. Nice bed of coals. So anyway, it's doing pretty good. As you can see, it's plumbed into the ductwork in my house. We got a blower motor, but yeah, it'll keep the whole house warm. You get a good fire going in there. I think I got the thermostat upstairs set for 68, and I think it's already met that. I've only had it going for a little while today, so figured I better get this thing up and running in case we lose power with the storm. So anyway, you guys take it easy and have a good one.